In the programming cycle, what is the very first step? Wendy? What programming cycle, what is the very first step? Try not to look where Fuxi. This is Fuxi. What is the 第一步 for programming cycle?
Analysis.
It's analysis. What is the second step there, Ched? What is the second step?
Coding.
Coding is step 3. What is the second step? Design. What is the fourth step? Yep. This is the design cycle, and then basically, this is kind of like an extra step. It's called maintenance. Okay? Today, we're in the design process. In the design process, we already begin. There are a couple things that we can do in the design. And one is flowchart. And the other thing we can do is test table. Oh, okay. In here, we also have testing. We have a test table. Test table. We're going to be doing these two things today. Okay, we're going to talk about some flowcharts in the test table. Okay, so if you look in your warm-up, you guys have this question right here. Okay, this is a test table. Floss, what is test table used for? What is test table? Okay, what do we?
Show all the inputs and outputs of the program.
Exactly. A test table shows all the inputs and outputs. You see test table, on the test they give you all the variables. These are the variables here. And usually they give you this. And then you have to fill in. And they put one line for one pass. If I read the code from top to bottom, this is called a pass. Okay? You're going to pass through the code 一次. And usually that's about even. Okay, or two mark, okay? And they already did this part here. They did the 一行, right? This is 2, the key is D, T, H, and R. Agree or disagree, right? So, I'm going to write down here. If you already know how to do it, you can 自己写, but I'm going to do and complete this here, okay? So have a look at your test table on your piece of paper that I gave over here. Okay? I will go through. If you want to work ahead, 如果你会这个东西 and already finished, you can just write. And if you finish early, you can do the second. We're just going to do 2 problems today. Okay? Seen it all? Wendy, did you get T1D for the very first pass?
Yes.
Ched, did you get T1D?
No.
No? Okay, I'm going to go walk through this. Wendy, if you already know, you can try to go. I'm just going to be talking and do it. If yours is the same, no problem. And then if you finish that, you can go. Okay? So it's up to you if you want to listen or work by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we get T1D. How do we get T1D? So right here, we have, you look at your own piece of paper, but we have a while loop. It says, while I is less than or equal to 4. Is I less than 4 there, Ched? What is I equal to?
I equals to 2.
I is 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 4? Yes or no?
Less than 4.
So this is called true. 对不对? If the statement is true, that means you 进去. That means that you go into the loop. 对不对? If it was false, you would skip. You would skip. Agree or disagree? So now we are right here. Key, do you know, what does key mean? Key is, what does key mean? What is key? T 是什么东西？
key 钥匙
Yeah, it can be that, and also it can be the key here is on the keyboard. Do you know the keyboard?
I know.
We have keys, and so when you press a button on the keyboard, like A, this is also called a key. And so they made a variable to hold because A actually has some number in ASCII. Okay, so key just means keyboard. Okay, it just means a key on the keyboard, and we have a variable here called key. Agree or disagree? And so it says key is equal to char I. What is the value of I? What is the I equal to? I 是多少?
I 3
Right now it's not 3. We're on right here. Right now I is 2, right? And so right here, I want you to underline the code on your here. This is char, and right here is 2. Agree or disagree? What is char 2? Look, we have chars here. Char 2 is equal to what letter?
key
It's T. Do you understand why this is T now? This is T too because it's char 2. Okay, or character 2. Okay? Now, J. What is J equal to? Right here we have J is equal to I minus 1. What is I minus 1? What is I equal to? Right here is I 减1. 现在 what is I equal to? What is I equal to?
0
Are you sure it's 0?
oh, no 1
Are you sure it's 1? What is I equal to?
2
It's equal to 2. What is 2 minus 1?
1
1. Do you understand why we have 1 in this space? Okay, that's how we get the 1. Okay, please don't use the laptop. Okay, I want you to work through this worksheet. If you finish, you can do this one here. If you finish that, then you can work on 4.3. You can use your laptop. It's fine. Okay, I didn't realize you finished 4.3. Okay, there's class. When you finish, I want you to 打开 your 电脑 and start working on this homework.
Mr. Newsom,
4.3 homework.
this I also finished.
Right? Just go through it. Okay? I'm just gonna go through past this and then the other one. Okay? And then I'll catch up to you guys. Okay. Now, right here is char j. What is j equal to? What is j equal to? J 是多少? Look in the table. What is j equal to?
1
It's equal to 1. Correct. So if I have char 1, what is char 1 equal to? What is that key? Is D. Agree or disagree? And so that means we have D right here. So far, okay? Then, do you have Ianda?
有了
Okay. Any question? Let's do the next part. Okay? We're right here in the code. While j is bigger than 0. Ched, is j bigger or equal to 0? What is the...
bigger than 0
It's, yeah, right now j is equal to 1. So this is true. And charge j, is it bigger than key? What is char j equal to? Char j is equal to d. Agree or disagree? Right? Because we have d. Is d greater than the key? What is key equal to is equal to t. Is d greater than t? Now, this is actually comparing an ASCII code. And you can just write the alphabet. Can you write the alphabet at the top of your paper? A, B, okay? E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. And in ASCII code, A comes before B, and the number becomes bigger. Okay, the number becomes bigger. So this question right here is asking us a question. Okay, it's saying, is the letter D in ASCII greater than T? Where's D? D's right here. Is D greater than T? Yes or no? Is D greater than T, dear Ched?
Yes.
Greater means bigger. Remember, the letters to the right are bigger. Z is bigger than A, okay, in the ASCII chart. Is D bigger than T?
No.
No. Can right here, I want you to write in your code, write this right here. See char, 你写一个 D. And put, is it bigger than T? Is it bigger than T? And we say no. If something's not true, if something is not true, do I do the code here, there, Ched?
No.
No, I do not need to do the code in this pass. Okay? So now we are here, right? We just keep on going. This is the very first pass. We have char j plus 1. What is j equal to? J 是多少? What is j equal to?
J equal to 1.
J is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Char 2 is what? Look over here. Char 2 is equal to t. Agree or disagree? So this is equal to t. Okay? Now we key. What is key equal to? Key is also equal to t. Agree or disagree? And so what this is actually doing is this location, we're going to put t inside that location. So right here, we're going to put a t. It's the same thing, it didn't change, but this is the location where we're going to put a t. Okay, can you write a t on in your table? We have a t. Do you understand why there's a t there? Why is there a t here? It's because j plus 1 is 2, and that's the wager 2. That's the wager 2. Okay, I is equal to I 加 e. What is the value of I now?
2.
Yeah, it's going to... I is 2. What is 2 plus 1? 3. So I is 3. Write down a 3. Okay? So this is 1 mark. Now, I'm right here. I have to go to the very beginning of my code again. I have to go up here and I do one more time. Okay? Can you have a try and do the second pass, and then I'll take up the answers in a little bit. Let me have a look. Did you get that? Let me have a look. Which one level T? Oh, okay, I see. You just use a different E hung. I just put an E on the hung. Okay. 来自于5 R 3，为什么念3？这个有少错误。你是这个是3是对，是 R， 为什么它应该念3？Where's your? Can you 再确定一下 ？Just double check. Okay. 这个也少东西。这个也有错误。So what I want you to do is double check through here, and we're actually missing a T here. You know why?
Why?
Because it says right here J plus 1. Right now J is equal to 1, so this is going to be 2. And the key is equal to T, so T goes into this. It's the same thing, but let's just write it down. Okay, so that you pass through one side.
Is this the necessary?
This one we don't need because 它没变。如果它没变不需要写，但是 it's okay. Okay. Okay, you're missing some stuff. Okay. This has some problem. Okay, I want you to double check it. I will take it out again. Okay? Did you看那个错误？有没有错误？
Here. G to be R and G is
对。
and charge is T.
Okay, 这个没问题。
And T is bigger than R and J is bigger than 0. So
但是这边 why do you have
This difference one is char 2 should be char 2 should be
这个有一个错误。
and J is not one.
We're missing H. One moment, look right here. Okay, this is a location. When we first do here, I is 2, J is E, and this is E, this is R. That means 这个位置 you need to okay. It's this one right here. This is 2. This is 这个位置，对不对？ char R, and then key. Right now, key is this. That means that 这个是有保存 right here. Oh, you already have. 这个是成功。但是 in here, we have 这个位置 you need to 保存 H. So this is 少一个 H and R. So you need to double check your code. Okay, I'll take it up in a moment. Okay. Are you ready? Let's 我们继续. Okay, can we Floss and Wendy and Chet? You guys still have a little bit of mistake. I mean, wait, let's do it together. Can we do it together?
Okay.
你的是看这边, okay? Let's go through and find out what's going on. So far we are right here, okay? We're on the second pass. 这是第一次, okay? We're right here. Is 3 greater or equal to 4? Yes or no? Is 3 bigger, is it less than or equal to 4? Yes or no? Yes. And so that means that we have to do the loop one more time, okay? So therefore key is going to be equal to, I can't see this, let's just erase this stuff. Okay, this is the second pass. So I will just delete this so that we can see clearly the code. Okay, right now I is equal to 3, okay? Key is equal to what there, Wendy? What do I change key to? Key is equal to char I. I is equal to 3. So what do we save into key?
T.
Right here, key char 3 is H. So what do I put in key? The answer is H. Can you write? Everyone say H. Everyone? 没问题? Okay? Now right here, what is J equal to their floss? J is equal to I minus 1. I minus 1 is 2. Everyone get J is 2. Let's continue. Now, is 2, oh, we can do this, char J. What is char J? This is going to be char 2. Char 2 right here is T. 这个位置是 T. 你写好了? Wendy, you okay? Okay. Now, we're right here. Is J greater or equal to 0? Is J, which is 2, is 2 bigger than 0? Yes. Is char 2? Char 2 is T. Is T greater than key? Key is H. Is T greater than H, Wendy? How do you know that T is greater than H? We have to look at the alphabet. Is T, it's more to the right. Is it after H? Yes, this is bigger than this because in ASCII code it's right? So this is true. If this is true, what do I do there, Wendy? If the loop is true, what do I need to do?
Charging plus 1.
Yeah, 你需要做那个 code inside the loop. So right here, I have char, which is J plus 1. J 是什么东西? J is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Agree or disagree? It means this wager, I need to 保存, which is char J. And I already know that char J is equal to T. Agree or disagree? And so this was a little mistake there, Floss, that I saw in your thing. We need to 保存 this whereabouts there, Floss. 我们需要放这个在哪儿？ Yeah, we need to put it right here. You can put it here or here. 都行，都行. Okay? Does everyone understand 为什么 there's a T here? It's because right this code right here is we're saving 我保存放在这儿. Yes. Yeah, okay, it's the same thing. 但是we have a H and a R. 我们继续。这个没错。I mean 以后有小偷。Okay, no problem. Okay, you have the 一样的。如果那个位置放在这儿也行，没关系。Okay. Now we are right here. J is equal to J 减1. Chad, right now, what is J equal to? 现在 J is 多少？
2.
Is 2. And so we have to go 2 minus 1. What do we get? We get 1. Okay? Did everyone get an E? Wendy, 有没有 E? 你需要确定一下. So the answer here is 1. And then we have to go here. We are right here now. J is 1. Agree or disagree? 1 plus 1, this is 2. 这个位置我们需要放那个 key. So that means in this location, 我们需要放什么东西? What is key? Key is H. Agree or disagree? And so therefore H 放在这儿. Flash 有没有? I think this is the 小偷, 对不对? And then I is equal to I 加1, which is 4. This is 4. Did you have that, Wendy? You have an H? 你需要看那个 H. 如果没有，你需要写。
No, but Mr. Newsom, why we have to put the characters in the chart?
It's because this is a RAM. It's 一个保存的地方. Right here, it says 这个位置 J plus this is a part of char, and this had to 放进去. Did you do this piece of code? This code means that we take the key and 放 into the char location. It's actually overwriting the character inside. 明白？你需要写。写。Can you 翻译一下 their floss? 他问为什么需要放 H？ 因为 this can change. 这个也可以变。Yeah, maybe can you tell Wendy and Ted in Chinese 的这个想法？
这个什么执行完之后，下面的代码就是会把 T 的词和 char 之间如果说是的。
是这个是一个 like a RAM， 我们可以上一个内存 right? And it 也可以变。So right here is actually change. Okay. Now, I'm going to erase the steps right here. We're on the second pass. Agree or disagree? Oh, okay, we have right here. Okay, I'm going to erase this. And we continue. This is the third pass. 现在我们是3次 to 看那个 code. 准备好了? So right now, I is what? There, Chet. 现在 I 是多少? It's 4. These ones are chat out. We cannot use this because 这个是一个位置 it changed. You see, we have to use the most current value in the box. Okay? Because these are overwritten. So we cannot say that I is 2 anymore. Right now, I is 4. So using this information, is 4 less than or equal to 4? Chet, we're right here. Is this true or false? Is 4 less than or equal to 4? Is 4 less 还是一样的 to 4? Is 4 yes. This is 一样的. So this is 对还是不对？这个是对。This is true. If this is true, 我们需要进去那个 loop, 对不对？ So let's go inside here. Floss. We have key, and right now I is equal to 4. So, I is equal to 4 is equal to R. Agree or disagree? Where do I need to put the R? R 放在哪儿? we need to put it to key. So right here, this should be R. Does everyone have R? 有没有? Now we are right here. Wendy, right now, J, we have to figure out J. What is the value of J, Wendy? This way. 我们在哪儿? We're right here. What do I have to do? What is the value of J? It's I minus 1. 写什么? 3. Yes. Because we just minus 1 from this. Wendy, what is char J? Right now J is 3. Char J is what character? So this is J3. J3 is this one right here is T because right now it's not H, it's T. Anyway, this change. And so what we have to do is we have to put this right here. We have to 保存 this is T. 有没有? R3T. Okay, 我们继续做. Is J greater or equal to 0? J is right now 3. Is 3 greater or equal to 0? Yes. Now we have to do the character comparison. Is character J is 3. Okay. J3 is, character right here is T. Is T bigger than key? Floss. Is T bigger than R? T comes after R. You see? It is true. If this is true, we're going to 进去这个. Okay? Help me out. Character J plus 1. Right now J is 3. This is 4. 这个位置需要保存什么? Yeah, because right here we have char J is T. This is T. T put into the fourth location. The fourth location is right here. And so right here should have a T. Okay? 你写好了? Wendy, do you have a T? 有没有 T? No. Are you following along? 有没有问题? 有问题? 现在你明白? 我明白了. 明白了. Chet, do you understand why there's a T here?
No.
No? Okay. Right here, this is, I'm going to delete here. Can you see the code right here, Chet? This is J 加1. Right now, what is J? J 是多少?
J.
What is J equal to?
J equal to 3.
3. What is 3 plus 1?
4.
4. What is char 4?
R.
Char 4 is 这个位置，但是不是 R。It's T because we have to use the most recent one. 有点复杂了，因为它不是 R because 它变了 because right now we have to use the most recent one. Do you understand? Yeah. Okay. Great. Where are we? So we did this. What is J equals to J co E? J equals to J co E. This is 2. Agree or disagree? Right now I'm right here. Now I go here. Char J 加 E is 2. This is 3. Agree or disagree? 这个位置 you need to 保存那个 key 放进去这个位置. So in here, key is R. R 放在那儿 There, Wendy. 这个 R 需要保存放在那儿 Where do you need to put the R? We're right here, this piece of code. Char 3, key 放进去
Char 3.
Where do I put the R? Tell me where do I put the R? 哪里? 看这边，看那个 code. Char 3, key 是 R. 现在 key is R. Agree or disagree there, Wendy? I need to put this R 放在哪儿?
plus one.
对 ，j plus one，j plus one 是3，所以我需要放在哪儿 ？Yeah, char 3 is 这个位置。So right here, this is the R. This is where a floss that 你少一块，对不对？你写 ，OK? And then right here we have I is equal to I 加1，这个是5。And then that's it. Because when I is equal to 5, do I need to do the code again? Look right here. I'm going to every iteration. So the iteration, well, I'm just going to delete this to make it so it's more clear. Right here. This is the beginning of the code. It's when I is 5. Is 5 less than or equal to 4 there, Chad? Is 5 less than or equal to 4?
No.
No. If this is not true, do I need to do this code?
No.
No. And if this code is in there, 它也是 in there, we are done. 成功. So we just have the shell total. I think Wendy and Floss, 这个快 你忘掉了 OK 现在明白吗 OK just treating 一下 your homework there Chad I want you to treating 一步一步 and then maybe you can cover with your hand and 再做一次如果你需要再试一下 you need to 完全明白这个 code 如果不确定 you 再试一下 Okay? And then this paper, 明天修给我 Okay? Thank you. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.